So Gromies, it's been a while since I dropped anything over here on YouTube, but that's just because sometimes you gotta take a break. You gotta pause. You gotta take a walk with some trees. You know what I mean? Reevaluate. Figure out what makes sense. Why am I doing what I'm doing? What energy out there am I putting out there? But the reality is, in life, there's chapters, right? Like a book. We're all writing our own story. And for me, the whole chapter lately has really just been over on twitch.tv/TreyStrongs420. We're doing all sorts of vibing over there, man. The 420 community is strong and alive and well over there. Not to say that I'm neglecting YouTube whatsoever, because wouldn't do that.
Hey, I'd never do that.
We're gonna still drop some stuff over here for you. It's just gonna be sporadic, mainly on the monthly tip, but that's just what it is. That's just what it is. The effort and energy and time has to match that. And you real ones have been here, and I appreciate you. And if this is the first time you're clicking into the video, I appreciate you just as much as the day ones. Especially if you hit subscribe, the bell next to it, and the like button if you really about pushing that positivity out there. Fucking street cleaner right now.
Really, dude?
When I'm trying to get creative with the intros, guys, of course. But it is what it is. Here's a little driblet, a little sprinkle
Sprinkle.
of the vibes that we got going over on Twitch. Come join us, live sesh. Let's stay lifted and elevated. Let's go. Whoa, what is all this noise?
If you're a banana lover and handcuffs with a candy, these banana-shaped puffs should snow with a spongy shell. Though the filling looks like radiant dense. Since the 1880s, Americans they make gummies of all kinds of fun shapes.
What the fuck?
But these frogs are the unique, sweet and spicy and strawberry. These cute pork gummies have just dual texture. The ears are chewy. The gummy shape alludes to
That's a little fucked up.
but there are also vegetarian options. Pea protein and
The vegetarian options to eat a pig's face. Bruh. I don't know.
beeswax. Coconut drops are simple but traditional Jamaican candy that is made from fresh coconut, brown sugar, cinnamon, and powdered ginger. The toffee-like confection is a mix of crunchy, soft, and chewy, with coconut chunks covering glass sugar that sticks to your tongue.
Yeah, no thank you.
These candies
Oh, Canada. Gooseberry? Bruh.
With a texture like an M&M with a hair bow.
I got a room full of stoners right now. Ain't one of y'all said, yeah, let me try those. No thank you. Like, yeah, we all fuck with some gummy bears and shit, but maybe not all of us, but the majority. Yeah, I don't know if there was one in there that I was like, man, I gotta try that one. Like the pig's face thing was fucked up. Maybe I'm just, I don't know, only one who saw Leatherface or something, but yeah. Or the Purge. Like, I don't know. My mind went in a lot of different directions, but not eating, not nom 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 nom. Munches. Muchness. I read at Munchies because I'm getting the Munchies now. I didn't even mean to play this bitch. What in the hell is that? Bro, that look like throw up on the pizza. Gozy, they're doing a great job even at the pass. Damn, that shit looks like a whole bunch of heartburn, but it looks tasty as fuck.
These square pies feature a sourdough base and are loaded with delightfully oil-laden pepperoni cups.
Oil-laden, yeah. No shit.
To authentic Italian pizza in Georgia. The tomatoes, mozzarella, and olive oil are all flown in from Italy. Even the restaurant's wood-fired ovens are shipped in from Naples.
Cause you wanna be fucking bougie. Nah, dog. Nah, dog. Shaka pizza, bro. Best pizza in Hawaii. Idaho? Who the fuck is going to Idaho for a pizza? Nobody. Nobody. Unless you already live there. Nah, dog. Nah, dog. Art of pizza, bro. Art of pizza. Get yourselves together. Hey, okay. Yes, sir. Buddies be on point.
In 2007 by former college roommates. The dough is made from scratch, and the sauce is made from, you guessed it, a secret recipe. Grinder's famous chili bomb.
What the fuck, bro? That's not pizza. That's just because we can. Cause whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck?
Pizza Factory in Jersey City has a geometric pizza that was inspired by ceramic tiles. Geometric pizzas contain up to 4 different pizzas, along with a salad or dessert centerpiece. Since 1993, Cafe Rio has brought East Coast pizza to the Southwest. The ingredients are made in-house from scratch. Human sources.
I don't even know what to say about that. Look at that limpy ass pizza, y'all. That limpy ass pizza. No. Bro, am I wrong? Bro, look at this limpy ass pizza, bro. Look at this limpy ass pizza, bro. Where the fuck did it go? Limpy, greasy, barely anything on that motherfucker. Husband was excited. He said, you should do one of those. I was like, today years old video and show them how I flip my grilled cheese sandwiches. Okay. What the hell is this man doing? What?